In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Doordash on the app or website. Logging out is a simple way to protect your account, especially if you share a phone, tablet, or computer, or if you've used Doordash on a public device. I'll walk you through exactly where to tap or click, and I'll point out a few things to watch for so it goes smoothly. Start by opening the Doordash app on your phone or tablet, or head to the Doordash website in your browser. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so everything loads properly. If you're on the website, sign in first if you haven't already, since you'll need to be signed in to access your profile and log out. Next, look for your account or profile area. In the app, this is usually at the bottom of the screen as a tab labeled account, or it may appear as a small person icon. On the website, check the top right corner for your name, a profile picture, or a profile icon. Click or tap that to open your account options. From there, go to settings if you see it. Sometimes Doordash shows a gear icon or a settings label inside your account page. Not every version displays settings prominently, so don't worry if you don't see it. The logout option might be directly on the account page or inside a small drop-down menu attached to your profile name on the website. Now, select logout or sign out. The wording can vary slightly, but it serves the same purpose. On the app, you'll typically find it near the bottom of the account or settings page. On the website, it's often in the menu that appears when you click your name or profile picture. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm. This step prevents accidental sign-outs. Once confirmed, you'll be returned to the sign-in screen or the home page in a logged-out state. That's your confirmation that the process worked. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you have an active order in progress, it's best to wait until it's completed before logging out so you can still receive updates. After logging out, the device won't have access to your saved addresses or payment methods, which is exactly what you want for privacy. When you're ready to come back, you can log in again with your usual credentials or your preferred sign-in method. That's it, you've successfully logged out of Doordash on the app or website. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along in real time.